Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. This is a working method in 2026, and this is actually a Pokemon Go promo code that's going to supply you with, I believe, 10,000 PokeCoins. And if I'm just looking at the in-app purchases here, you can see 10,000 would probably cost around $100 US. Now, before I show you this method of getting free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm always searching for brand new money-saving methods. And this is a simple promo code, guys, that you can redeem in the Pokemon Go web store. And this is working, of course, for iOS and Android. So you've got to use your mobile phone internet browser just to obtain your promo code. And head on over to www.crashcoupons.com. So Crash Coupons, type it like this. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this codes website here. They actually have pretty much every game. They don't only have mobile games, they have like console games and stuff. So use the search bar and search for Pokemon Go. This is the codes page here, guys. There are a few different promo codes here. So go ahead and scroll down and look for this code, the 10,000 free PokeCoins promo code. Like I said, guys, this is a code you can redeem, and it's going to get you $100 worth of Pokemon Go PokeCoins. So yeah, this is definitely worth spending a few minutes because this is going to save you a bunch of money. So it's found a valid code here, guys, and essentially it protects your code. It stops people taking all of the available limited codes. So you need to unlock your Pokemon Go PokeCoins code. So click on Get Full Code, and you're going to see this page here. It tells you exactly what you need to do, guys. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons or Crash Coupons. This is like the sister website of it. So basically it says follow the instructions to unlock your code. So you need to choose 2 tasks on this page. I've only got 2. I'm in the UK. If you're in the US, you're probably going to see slightly more. These tasks are completely free and they take a few minutes to complete. And they're things like installing and opening mobile applications, playing games and stuff. So just follow the instructions, complete 2 of them, and it'll send you back to Crash Coupons. And your Pokemon Go promo code will be unlocked and fully revealed. And once you redeem it, that is going to get you 10,000 free PokeCoins in Pokemon Go. So this is the best method in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons and then just navigate your way to the 10,000 free PokeCoins code. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you do like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.